Here I'm camped out at Borrego Springs, California, and today they're saying winds of 50 to 60 miles an hour with gusts as high as 100 miles per hour. And I believe it. It is very windy today. That's the Borrego Valley down there where the town of Borrego Springs is. I can't even see the valley now because of all the blowing dust. My roof vent cover was ripped off by the wind. I'm going to look at my camper here and I'll show you some of the effects of the wind and some of the damage that was done. This side of my awning was torn up and a piece was ripped off. There's what's left of my roof vent cover. Here's a piece of my awning was ripped off. This stabilizer jack was at the very back end under the frame. That's blowing over here next to the tire. This is my side to side level, and it was perfectly level. Now it's tilted almost 3 inches to one side. This is my front trailer jack, which was centered on that board. Now it's moved off to the side. Thankfully the jack is still on the board. The wind has blown the sand and pebbles from underneath my front jack stand, and that's why it's been lowered on this side 3 inches. This is my ladder resting on my back bumper, and the wind has carved these deep grooves or ruts underneath my frame. You can see my ladder has been lowered as well. This is my truck tire. I thought it was going flat, but the sand has been blown away from the back end here. So now the weight's just resting on that front end. This is a piece of plywood I was using as a boardwalk, and it's been blown over here. It was over there at my doorstep. Now it's been blown over here next to my truck and split into two. Here's my other plywood board, which has been blown a few 100 feet away. Let's see here how this branch is carved out. That